Plaintiff Christian Singleton dated the defendant's friend, but he broke up with her after he caught her cheating. Christian's suing because he says one night at a club, the defendant became drunk and started kicking and punching his vehicle. Defendant Jaleesa Person claims she never liked Christian because he is rude and disrespectful to women. Jaleesa says on the night of the incident, Christian tried to run her over with his car, but she never touched his vehicle.
Tell me what happened, or give me some background if you like.
Well, Your Honor, I'm a criminology student at the University of Missouri State in Springfield.
Good.
I'm currently getting my bachelor's degree in criminology with hopes of going on to law school after I do. I know Jaleesa.
How are your grades?
I got a 2.9 right now. I need to get that up, but I know it's coming.
The biggest challenge is the test, the law school admission test. They weigh that more than they do grades.
That's what I hear.
So that's where you have to focus. Go ahead.
I know Jaleesa through my ex-girlfriend. We dated for about 2 years, and we broke up last October because I found out she was cheating on me. So once we broke up...
How'd you find out?
I was going through her phone. I found some text messages.
What'd they say?
Well, did you like that? Or...
You want to give me a little background before we get into the case?
I'm a double major, majoring in health communications and dance. I'm also a founder of a dance group down in Missouri State. I'm very active throughout the campus community. Just, overall good student. Before I even knew Christian, I had mutual friends who would tell me things about him. He's like rude, disrespectful. He don't know how to talk to women. He treats women like they just supposed to bow down to him.
Did he treat you like that?
No, he don't treat me like that. I don't let it happen.
Oh,
no.
Well, you don't know if he did it with others.
Well, no, me and him, this was before we actually met.
Right,
This is
and
the
once
stuff
you
I've
met,
heard.
did he do it to you? You can't, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you said you didn't let him do it to you.
No, he tried.
Oh, okay.
He tried.
Give me an example.
Okay, we was all in the room.
Because you see, he's very respectful and mild-mannered, so tell
He
me.
seemed like that.
All right, tell me what
he
he
was
did.
on campus one day and he was, messing with another one of my friends. He just, he was talking to her like, she just didn't matter. And I'm like, you gonna let him talk to you like that? Like, you need to stand up for yourself. Don't let this man talk to you like that. And I ain't talking to you. First of all, I'm not talking to you either. So if I'm not talking to you, you don't say nothing to me.
All right. Go ahead. Tell me about the incident. Because usually the car damages come from the girlfriend or the ex-girlfriend.
Yeah.
So you're in really bad shape if the ex-girlfriend's friend is also busting out your windows. Usually it's just the girlfriend. Go ahead. What did the ex-girlfriend's friend do?
I didn't realize that any of her friends hated me until this night. Jaleesa became violently drunk. We were at a nightclub, March 17th, back St. Patrick's Day. We were at this nightclub, me and a few of my friends. We didn't see Jaleesa or we didn't see anybody she was with in the club that day until I left the club. We walked out. I noticed two girls in front of me. I didn't recognize them because their hair, the makeup, the nails, everything that girls do when they go out. I didn't recognize it was them until they turned around. It was her and my ex. Immediately when they turned around, they're looking for someone else. They see me. They're saying, oh, that's not him, that's not who we're looking for, all this, hands in the air, everything like that. And I'm being sarcastic right back to them. I'm like, I'm not who you're looking for. That's not me. And I continue to go to my car, minding my business. I go to the car, I get in the car, I drive around the parking lot. There, I see Jaleesa standing in front of my car. She's got her hands up like, we're gonna fight. She's screaming, she's cussing everything. She's in my way.
All because you said, I'm not the one you're looking for.
All because of that.
Go ahead.
So she's doing this. I can't get around her. I'm saying, Jaleesa, I'm not gonna fight you. Just let me go on about my business.
We never talked when
What
I was
was
in the
your
parking lot.
ex-girlfriend doing?
She wasn't there at the time. I saw her at the
Okay,
car.
go ahead.
She had walked off somewhere. But she moves to the side. I go around her with my car. This is when I see Jaleesa hit the car. She hits the car with her fist as I drive around her. I didn't think anything of it. I'm trying to be a bigger person. I let it go. I didn't even say anything to her at the time. I let it go and I continued about my business. While we're leaving the parking lot, me and my friends, one of my friends asked me to let him out at my ex's car so he could ride back to the dorm with them.
We weren't even going to the dorm.
Let him
I
finish,
don't know where
man.
you're going.
Go ahead.
But I dropped him off at her car to let him out. When we pulled next to her car, Jaleesa's at my car again. She's hitting it in the same spot she was before with her hand. She walks around the backside of the car. This is when my ex is trying to hold her back. Jaleesa comes up to the car and she kicks the passenger door with her foot.
All right. And you have an estimate for the damages?
Yes, I do.
Did you call the police or anything?
Yes,
or go
I
and
did.
make a report?
Yes, I did.
Did they investigate?
Yes, they did.
All right. And what did their investigation conclude?
I failed to prosecute because I didn't want to get her in trouble. I know we're two college students.
Right.
I didn't want her to have any kind of criminal record. I just wanted my car fixed,
Okay.
So
you have the police report?
Yes, I do.
All right. Ma'am, we'll hear from you.
March 17th, as you know, we out having fun, me and my 3 friends. We hanging out, meeting up with some friends at the club. Yeah, we had a couple of drinks, but nobody that I was with was violently drunk. Mm-hmm. And so, me and my friend were walking, and she was like, Christian came up to me and said something rude to me, but I never saw Christian in the club, so I don't know if this was like in the club, outside the club. I don't know when he said something to her. So I'm walking through the parking lot, and he like driving all crazy through this parking lot and almost hit me. So I tried to kick his car when he tried to hit me, but I missed.
Why do you think he tried to hit you?
He don't care. He's Christian.
Because he doesn't care about what?
He's just rude. He's rude. He's ignorant.
That's a little more than rude, man.
No, he's ignorant.
Why do you think he was attempting to murder you?
Because I'm the outspoken one of the group, and I'm always the one to take over when it's problems with Christian, because it's always problems with Christian.
Okay. Why don't you all just stay away from Christian?
We try. I mean, we can't, if we out
Okay.
and
So
he
you
come
want me to
over and
believe
say
it's just a
something to us.
coincidence he tries to run you over. You out there by yourself?
Yeah, I was walking to the car by myself.
Okay. Where were your other friends?
One was at the car, and I don't know what the other
At
two
what
was.
car?
The car that we drove.
How far were you from it?
About, like, the car was right here, and I was like right here, because we was like right by the parking lot.
How far were you from
about
it?
10 feet.
10 feet.
Because the car was right here. Christian was right here.
Okay, she was
Because she was already
on the opposite
there.
side.
Yeah.
Okay. Did she give a statement to the police?
No.
Why not?
She said because she was my close friend and his ex-girlfriend, she just wanted to stay out of the whole thing.
Oh, okay. Your friend, you would think, would try and defend you.
I know, right?
Yeah.
The same thing I
So what'd
said.
you tell? Did you do any of this or not?
I did not kick his car.
Did you harm his car at all?
No.
Okay. Did you discuss kicking his car with the police?
I told the police what I'm telling you. I did not kick his car. Yeah, I yelled at him. No, I did not hit it. What my little fist gonna do to his car? It's not gonna do $1,700 worth of damage.
All right. Jaleesa said as he was driving around her, she attempted to kick his Nissan
Yes, I
with
did.
her right leg, but missed.
Yep.
She said, I didn't touch it at all. This is you telling them something different, though. You told the police you were striking the front side of the door with the palms of your hands. Did you tell the police that?
No, I had my hands on the car like, look,
Did you
tried
tell the
to hit
police
me, but I'm not
this?
like,
I'm asking you what you told the police. Did you tell the police that you were striking?
no, I
All
told
right, so the police are lying on you too. A minute ago you said you didn't touch it at all. Now when I tell you what you told the police, you then said, no, I put my hands on the car. Remember you said you didn't touch it at all, ma'am? You say you didn't touch it at all. Judgment for the plaintiff. Make sure you study a little more. It's $1,787. Have a good day. Looking right at the police report.
She knows she did it. If I tried to hit her with my car, that's attempted murder. No charges were filed, nothing like that. So she knows she did, and everybody else saw her do it.
you know I didn't touch your car. It was a bunch of people around. You just know because I'm the loud one and I'm always the one in your face. You just went after me, but you know what? It's good because karma is going to come back and get you.
I'm good.
Hi, Judge Mathis. I'm Larry, and I have a quick question for you. My friend was drinking, broke my laptop, and I was wondering if I could sue him, even if he doesn't remember.
Of course you can sue him, Larry. And if your friend was careless or reckless and his actions caused the damage, he'll have to pay regardless of whether or not he remembers the incident.